This video is sponsored by Jada Dev, a store of high-quality scripts and maps. Store link in the description.
Hey everyone, welcome to Zexus Development. In this video, we are going to install a Vinewood HUD map for our FiveM server. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So this is the script which are going to install into FiveM server. The link will be in the description below. Now to purchase the script, click on this Tibex link. Now click over here and get the map into your CFX portal and download the map. After downloading it, we need to extract the file into our FiveM resources. So I'll be extracting it over here. Just like this. So that's it for the installation part. Now let's start the server. So we are in the server now, and behind me you can see this is the HUD which we have installed into our FiveM server, and this is the location in the map over here. Now let's get to the HUD. So this is the entrance of the HUD over here. And all the rooms have the open interior. So this is the cells over here. You can lock other gang members or your rivals over here. So this is the top floor of the HUD. So this is the second floor over here. So that's it for today's video. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.